How to make crispy coconut chikki with just two ingredients. Hello friends, Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you back to her channel with yet another recipe request by Nagamani Dalna. So it took me a few trials and errors to come up with a proven recipe that actually works. For this recipe, you need desiccated coconut 70 grams, which makes about 3/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon. You will need to dry roast it for 1 minute only. Now set it aside and we'll be making our jaggery syrup with 70 grams of jaggery. Now the amount in grams of jaggery and desiccated coconut will be the same. So continue to melt it on a low flame. Check its consistency. We are aiming for a hard ball consistency that actually breaks. This is soft ball consistency. So we will need to continue cooking the syrup on a low flame. Continue to cook and stir it, otherwise it will burn. When we don't want our jaggery syrup to burn for our crispy coconut chicky. Put a drop of this jaggery syrup in cold water, wait for a few seconds, and then check. If it turns into a ball and breaks when you try to break it, then it's done and it's time to add our desiccated coconut powder. Be very quick now at this stage. Continue to cook for 1 minute and then quickly remove this on a surface where you can roll it out easily, because it will be extremely hot and hard to work, and you will have to be very quick to roll it out. And you can use any utensil to press it gently so that it does not break and becomes a flat surface, so that it is easy to cut and you can enjoy it as a chicky. It will be very hot. Please be mindful of this. You can use a pizza cutter to cut it into pieces, into chickies, or you can use your knife as well. Wait for a few seconds until it cools down and you can easily cut it. It will break, but make sure you check the jaggery syrup consistency. And remember, my dear friends, jaggery is a very healthier alternative to sugar. It is rich in iron and magnesium and extremely good for your hair as well as skin as well. So I'll come up with a video on why you should use jaggery and quick refined sugar. So until then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon with yet another healthy recipe. I hope Nagmani Dalna you like this recipe and try it out and share your feedback. Bye bye.